MS Word funny problem. You just opened your MS Word and noticed that top and bottom margins are missing. See, this text should be 1 inch apart from the top, okay? And from the layout, you are checking the margins again and again, okay? Like normally selected, so at top, bottom, left, right, there should be 1 inch free space. At left or right, they have 1 inch free space, so left, right, okay, but what happened with top and bottom? So in this video, I will show you how to solve top and bottom margin missing in MS Word. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for notification. I make videos on technology, and now at this moment MS Word series is going on. So without any further ado, let's get started. Here we go. Go to File. From here, Options. From here, Display. Then show white space between pages in the print layout view. Just put a tick mark here. Then click on OK. And see, now top and bottom margins are visible. This text MS Word funny problem now 1 inch apart from the top, okay? So this is how you can solve top and bottom margins missing problem, okay? So why this is actually MS Word funny problem? Just because of it's only funny when you know the solution. But if you don't know the solution, then it's not a funny problem, it's a huge problem, okay? So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you have learned the solution to top and bottom margin missing, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you do, give a huge thumbs up, share this content with your community. Thanks for watching. See you in the very next tutorial. Till then, take care.